Parts of Java program. Comments. Comments are descriptive part of program that explain what the codes are all about. They are special sections of text that improve basic programs readability, helping people to understand the operation of the program. Types of comment: one line or end line comment. Starting with two slashes, this comment is short enough to fit to one line. So this is one. So there are some one line comments. It is also written at end of line code. Multi-line comment or block comment. This type is characterized by multiple one line comments, meaning your comment text is too long to fit in one line. However, two slashes are replaced with an opening slash star and at the start of comment and ends with closing star slash. So this is multi-line comment. Prologue. Prologue is a version of block comment that is placed at top of very beginning of your program. It contains important information about code so that every programmer will be able to get an idea what the program is all about just by merely glancing at it. Usually the prologue is enclosed in a box. So prologue looks like this. Class heading. We now move to the next line in our first simple Java program. Public class example. This program line is called class heading or class declaration, which is composed of four parts: the three words and open curly brace. For the first two words, public and class, are what are called reserved words or keywords. For example, we are writing public class another queue. So in this public and class are reserved word or keywords. These are reserved word or keywords. So public is a keyword and private is also keyword. Public is an access modifier that controls how class is being accessed by another classes. Main methods heading. After the class heading, the main method heading comes next. Method is a subroutine in Java language that is line of code at which program will begin executing. It is simply list of things to do. In our example, the main method has the following form: public static void main string args. So here public is an access modifier which identificates that everyone can access the main method. So this means that this can be accessed by the code outside the class in which it was defined or declared. Static is another reserved keyword. It denotes that the method can be accessed immediately. Now public gives access, static is for immediate access. The third reserved word is void, that signifies the main method returns nothing. Any information that is needed to pass a method is received by variables specified within set of parentheses that follow the name of method. These variables are also called parameters. In our example, it is only string args. The declared parameter named arg represents arguments that the main function takes. String is the arguments type and stores sequence of characters. Square brackets symbolize that it is an array of objects of type string.